Power outages, overloaded electrical panels, sky-high electricity bills. Sound familiar? If it feels like your home's working against you, you're not alone. And it's not going to fix itself. But here's the good news. You don't need to replace everything. You just need the right team. At First Choice Electrical and Solar, we're licensed experts in residential electrical services. Services from custom home wiring to solar panel installations and even energy storage installations. Serving homes just like yours across the greater Puget Sound area. We solve problems others miss, and we don't push generic fixes. Every job is custom, efficient, and done with care. Don't wait for the next outage or inspection fail. Click the link below and schedule your no-cost consultation today.